So, Brazil versus our Dranzer. Let's go. So, have our Brazil here and then our Dranzer here. Ready? First round, Brazil versus Dranzer. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Oh! And that's a win for our Brazil. That's a great, man. That's great. If plastic gel was made like this, yeah, it will be very nice and beautiful, man. If it was made on the time like this one. But yeah, that's for that. First round for our Brazil. Okay. Next, let's go. Let's have this. Oh, that's why. That's why it has a scrape here. Because the upper part of our Dranzer was scraping on these lines. How about here? Still, it scrapes, man. That's why. Okay, so it's not a battle damage with your opponent Beyblade, but it's from the launcher. But yeah, so much for that. Is that the second round? Yeah, so this will be the last round. Yeah, this will be the last round. Ready? 3, 2, and go. Shoot! Ooh. Oh! Extreme finish for Brazil. Goes up right there. It goes up here. Upper part. It's not here, but here. It's very nice. And yeah. Is it the second round? So let's have another. I lost count. So another round. Even Brazil already won on that because that's an extreme finish. Brazil maybe already have 4 points already. I don't know. Dranzer will not recover on that. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Additional round for them. They're have a nice game. Up. Okay, so I think Dranzer will won on this one. Yeah, but still, Brazil won on that. Okay, so Brazil, thank you. You won.